13 benefits of drinking olive oil every day. Olive oil is commonly regarded as one of the healthiest oils on planet Earth. Most of us know this oil for its use in cooking, but actually, there are much more benefits that we don't know about. In fact, people in areas where olive oil is a regular part of the diet tend to live longer and healthier lives. So, in today's video, we are going to share all the benefits of drinking olive oil every day. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Protective against heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide. According to observational studies conducted a few decades ago, heart diseases are less common in Mediterranean countries. This prompted a lot of research into the Mediterranean diet, which has since been proved to cut the risk of heart disease dramatically. It was found that extra virgin olive oil is a significant component of this diet, as it protects against heart disease in a variety of ways. It reduces inflammation, prevents bad LDL cholesterol from oxidation, strengthens blood vessel lining, and may help prevent blood clotting. It has also been demonstrated to lower blood pressure, which is one of the most powerful risk factors for heart disease and death. Olive oil was found to lessen the requirement for blood pressure medication by 48% in one study. Not only this, but extra virgin olive oil has been shown to have substantial heart benefits in dozens of studies. If you have heart disease, a family history of heart disease, or any other major risk factor, extra virgin olive oil should be a part of your daily diet. Has antibacterial properties. Many elements in olive oil can suppress or destroy dangerous germs. Helicobacter pylori, a bacterium that resides in your stomach and can lead to stomach ulcers and cancer, is one of them. Extra virgin olive oil has been demonstrated to fight 8 strains of this bacterium in test tubes, 3 of which are antibiotic resistant. In humans, a study found that taking 30 grams of extra virgin olive oil daily for 2 weeks can remove Helicobacter pylori infection in 10–40% of persons. You will be surprised to know that a triple antibiotic combination is required to eradicate infection caused by this organism. While according to studies, olive oil has the ability to kill this bacterium. Looking at this, you can estimate the strength of olive oil as an antibacterial agent. Healthier skin and hair. Olive oil is high in vitamins E and K, which are both necessary for keeping your skin and hair healthy. Drinking extra virgin olive oil every day is a wonderful approach to replenish damaged skin and hair since it contains more nutrients than regular olive oil. Not only this, but you can also apply it directly to your skin and hair for added benefits. In fact, it has been proved to be one of the best oils used for massage purposes. Olive oil is not associated with weight gain or obesity. Excessive fat consumption leads to weight growth. But that's not true in case of olive oil. Numerous studies have connected the Mediterranean diet, which is high in olive oil, to weight loss. Consuming a lot of olive oil was not associated with increased weight in a 30-month study of nearly 7,000 Spanish college students. Instead, the results were quite surprising, as olive oil proved to cause weight loss in long term. So, if you are trying to lose weight, cut off your calorie intake, exercise regularly, and start drinking olive oil every day. Reduces risk of type 2 diabetes. Olive oil looks to be quite effective in preventing type 2 diabetes. This wonderful oil has been associated with improved blood sugar and insulin sensitivity in several studies. The preventive properties of olive oil were recently verified in a randomized clinical experiment including 418 healthy participants. A diet rich in olive oil was found to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by more than 40% in one study. Now this number is huge. So why would you not like to add olive oil to your daily diet? Olive oil has strong anti-inflammatory properties. Cancer, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, and even obesity are all thought to be caused by chronic inflammation. One of the key reasons for the healthy effects of extra virgin olive oil is that it helps reduce inflammation. Antioxidants are the key mediators of anti-inflammatory actions. One of the most important is oleocanthal, which has been found to act similarly to the anti-inflammatory medicine ibuprofen. According to some studies, 50 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil has a similar impact to 10% of an adult's ibuprofen prescription. According to studies, oleic acid, the major fatty acid in olive oil, can lower levels of inflammatory indicators such as C-reactive protein. Olive oil antioxidants have also been shown to suppress several genes and proteins that cause inflammation. So, forget about taking any anti-inflammatory medicine, when all you have to do is drink only 50 milliliters of olive oil daily. Contains healthy monounsaturated fat. Olive oil is a natural oil derived from the fruit of the olive tree. Saturated fat accounts for 14% of the oil, whereas polyunsaturated fats such as omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids account for 11%. However, oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that makes up 73% of the total oil content, is the most prevalent fatty acid in olive oil. According to studies, oleic acid decreases inflammation and may possibly have anti-cancer effects on genes. For this, extra virgin olive oil is a good choice for cooking since monounsaturated fats are resistant to high heat. Olive oil contains large amounts of antioxidants. Extra virgin olive oil is a good source of nutrients. In addition to its healthy fatty acids, it includes small amounts of vitamins E and K. It is also rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants are biologically active, which means they can help you avoid certain chronic diseases. They also help to reduce inflammation and preserve blood cholesterol from oxidation, two benefits that may reduce your risk of heart disease. May help prevent strokes. Stroke is caused by a disruption in blood flow to the brain, which can occur as a result of a blood clot or bleeding. It is the second most leading cause of death in developed countries, following heart diseases. The link between olive oil and stroke risk has been thoroughly researched. Olive oil was the only source of monounsaturated fat linked to a lower risk of stroke and heart disease, according to a major evaluation of research involving 800,000 people. Another study of 140,000 people found that those who consumed olive oil had a much lower risk of stroke than those who did not. Fights Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the world's most common neurological illness, especially related to old age. An accumulation of so-called beta amyloid plaques inside your brain cells is one of its most prominent causes worldwide. According to a study that left all the scientists astonished, a component found in olive oil was found to help eliminate amyloid plaques in mice. A human study also found that a Mediterranean diet high in olive oil improved brain function. Although more evidence is still needed in this regard, adding olive oil to your daily diet will certainly boost your brain function. The antioxidants in olive oil have anti-cancer properties. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Many academics believe that olive oil may be the reason why people in Mediterranean nations have a lower risk of certain cancers. Olive oil's antioxidants can help to prevent oxidative damage caused by free radicals, which are thought to be a major cause of cancer. Compounds in olive oil have been shown in numerous test tube studies to be effective against cancer cells. A research team led by Hunter College has shown that certain extra virgin olive oils kill human cancer cells with no obvious effect on normal cells. And all credit goes to this component present in olive oil called oleocanthal. It acts as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent against cancer cells, leading to their death. Helps treat rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune illness that causes painful and malformed joints. Though the specific origin is unknown, it involves your immune system mistakenly targeting normal and healthy body cells. In people with rheumatoid arthritis, olive oil supplements appear to ameliorate inflammatory indicators and reduce oxidative stress. When olive oil is coupled with fish oil, A source of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, it appears to be very effective. According to one study, olive and fish oil improved hand grip strength, joint pain, and morning stiffness in adults with rheumatoid arthritis. Optimal nutrient absorption. Yes, if you drink it every day, it will aid in the absorption of vitamins and nutrients from the food by your stomach and digestive system. When eating foods that contain fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, B, D, and K, pair them with a dietary fat such as olive oil. This will greatly increase the ability for nutrient absorption by the body. So, these were all the benefits of drinking olive oil every day. If you liked the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.